Idwe ino ni Road Safety Association of Kenya na nini muikariri gite wa Road Safety Association of Kenya haha ndina investors aria makoragwo mena indo ciao na ni indo ciao irathukangio koguo nikio twiciririe umuthi at least tugie na press release ni undu wa maundu maria marekika na nindamba kumuhe haha ngithoma na githungu nindamba kumwira ndamba kuheana mfano wa accident iria cikikite ihinda riri ikuhi ndamba kuheana no horo wa kiria Githumo roundabout haria Coptic gari iria yarurire tariki 8 August mwaka uyu turi wa 2025 just the other day iroraga andu 25 marakua muri wa kanana tugacoka tukaria horo wa Naivasha Moredant gari igithie igirite gari ya mwaki yari mweri mugwanja mweri wa August mwaka uyu turi andu kenda magikua hau tugacoka tukaria horo wa Korompoi Kitengela tukaria horo wa mweri kenda mweri wa kanana mwaka wa 2025 uyu turi andu 8 magikua hau barabara-ini tugacoka tukaria kumaira nginya muthenya wa umuthi turero ni makinyire 14 aria marekite mutino na andu aria marari ambulance-ini atandatu nginya murwaru nginya dereva nginya uria ramutwaraga thibitari othe atandatu marakua andu atandatu kuongerera andu 14 acio magoka andu 20 thutha wa thiku igiri tu andu tugakorwo tutete andu 20 aka ti kaundu kanini na ni kaundu karenda ithuothe turi ya Kenya riu twaririe tumenye thina uyu wiha tondu turageria kuga atiriri thina munene wi thiini wa NTSA na thina uyu wambiriirie kuma mwaka wa 2019 na ni tukoretwo tukinegena ni undu wa leadership iria i thiini wa NTSA tondu ni kuma riria DG wa mbere eherire ni tuonire maundu maingi kwagio garuruku wa licenses mundu akaneagwo license ni undu wa 6,000 ngari kaga guthi inspection na ikahitukio na tukiuga maundu maya ni makambiria gwikika ni gwakorwo kwina thina munene muno riu maundu maya nimo marekeka na leadership iria ya NTSA twacuthiriria tukona na thaici as we are talking no bara ithini wa NTSA tondu kuri andu aria nene biu marenda mundu uria CEO uria wiku athio na mbere gutongoria nginya na ihinda ria karire ithiru tondu thaici agirwo gukorwo athiete leave terminal leave nigetha gucario DG ungi tondu ni acabite miaka yake iri no ni turona kuri bara tondu ona mahinda maria bodi ya muingatire ikimuhe thiku 30 ambe athie gwikwo investigation ya mitino ire yekikaga ni tuoni uria gwathire bodi yo ni kuvutwo yavutirwo na DG agicokio na thiku 10 ugo hena interest nene muno ya andu aria me thirikari ni aria mari iguru na interest yo no iratuma maundu ma mothe mekike tondu NTSA ru ndiradi no horo wa road safety iradi no horo wa biashara ni atia tugwika na nikio tuheana example haha he standard umuthi yaumire etagwo 22 KS 2295 iyo niyo standard iria ya ikoragwo irugamirire uhoro wa speed governor iria ciekeriwo ngari-ini tukaiga governor icio ciekeriwo ngari-ini na already cie thiini wa ngari ni ikoragwo na capacity ga kuiga data mathaa thiku 72 hours ati ona ngari ingiuma Mombatha ikinye Nairobi muthigari angithi retrieve data iyo ni akumenya ngari iyo uria iguthiaga na driver ucio no athitwo no ukona na matirenda kurumiriria meyo riu mokite marathi kwira president mekire kamera kuma Mombatha macikinyie Nairobi tondu ni biashara tondu hani ho meguthondekera bia kamera cikanyitaga speed na kamera ndengenyita speed kuma haria nginya kuria ndengenyira andu haraihu koguo ni mekire cover na kuma Mombatha nginya Nairobi ni makiria ma kamera ngiri 3 icio besha but because it is about business no magienda already kwina gadget ye ngari-ini no kugura thermal printer manengere thigari makaritrieve data ati ngari yo ni yumire Mombatha thigari ciaruta ni ikuona ngari we gwikaga atia ithe guturavera gotuku to nginya muthigari akorwe barabara standard yo ni maregire kumirumirira na iraga kurumirirwo tondu kuri andu ha gwiciria uhoro wa safety NTSA riu iciragia ni hatukuruta biashara wera wiku riu muthi turaria uhoro wa ki riu marenda kuneana inspection centers marenda kunengera andu kiene na ni marikitie gucigayana ati ni ng'ani ugakorwo akirora no ri ungi akarora ona ndiratwarwo kuri andu macire tondu ukiri andu angi mangiruta wira ucio no marenda kuruta wira ucio koguo twarora tukona atiriri interest ino ya biashara ni wera atuma iku cingihe barabara-ini tondu matire cirio oro wa barabara ri
New quality horo wa andu aria makoretwo makihuthira mbeca kuona license.
Umuthi uyu ti undu wina hitho riria twa report riria mbere ni matwirite ni megututwara igoti-ini tondu ni twahenania no tukinyitanira na BBC kuma London na magiuka na andu makiheo license o makiheo license matari mathi cukuru na license ikimurikwo na ikionanio ati you don't need to go to school ndwagirwo guthie cukuru nigetha wone license wina ngiri 6 watuma na license na wareherwo uguo ni kuga atia mundu uri urani na license yo to ni muri heri na arihitwo na mbeca cituri anengera mundu uyu utathiete cukuru ri era mundu ucio thia geke atia akorage andu atiri undu ungi tondu nuramenya mundu upiu ndathomete ndathiete cukuru na example njega nino irekikire muthenya wa ira andu 14 dereva wa Prado anyitete Prado na ni arona eno ni rori ukite neno ni matatu iko overtake o kundu agira kinyire breki ndagika nini ahero rio nafasi acoke overtake matatu yo araregeire hau matatu irathira guthwo andu 14 marakua yo irakwira atia andu ti athomu aria mena license na ni turoria ta road safety miaka 6 andu othe manegeretwo license turoria icokerwo ciothe cineanwo ringi andu mathie cukuru tondu 80% ya andu aria manegeretwo license cineanitwo na njira ya Google ti andu mathiete cukuru koguo turoria icokerwo ciothe andu acio macokere license macoke cukuru ringi tondu meguthi na mbere kuraga andu na nikio rona iku cingihite na njira nene muno ona riria micukio kite gutakiri na iku nyingi u ona riria twana ari uhoro wa ikuri citakiri cingi hoguo ati thutha wa thiko igiri every weekend turate makiria ma 20 every weekend na hindi tutiikirite mundu wa nduthi andu a nduthi marakua ana o muthenya ukikeida buliko tuuka kurika na mwisho wa mwaka ri ni andu igana megukorwo makuite kana matete mioyo yao undu ni ukundu kuyo riu in a serious way na andu matige kuya tari ithako.
Chairman, can you say that in English?
Yeah. Put that point in English. Yeah. The last 6 years.
Yes. They need to retrain.
Yeah. We are. I'm saying as the Road Safety Association, our first recommendation is that from 6 years back, anybody who has received a license from that time, we want these people to return those licenses. We want those licenses to be cancelled and they go again back to school. Because these 6 years, 80% of the licenses which has been issued, people never went to school. And this is the reason you see this carnage and the deaths are increasing on our roads. So we are requesting that 6 years, if you took your license, all of them to be cancelled, let them go back to school so that we can get the genuine people who have gone to school, who knows what to drive a vehicle is or how to drive a vehicle.
And what's your message to NTSA and to the government about this?
First of all, my message to NTSA is to the board directors, because NTSA is run by the board of directors. First of all, the board of directors must take charge. There is no way they can be controlled by an employee, because today the employee is controlling them. Reason being, nobody can touch him because he's above the law. So his time is over. We want a proper recruitment done by the board of NTSA so that NTSA can make sure they implement what policies are there. We don't need any other policy. We only want the policies we have to be implemented, simple and clear, and we reduce all these accidents.
The government?
To the government, I would request the people in the higher offices, please stop interfering with NTSA. Let the board of directors do their work. Let it not happen the way it happened when the board of directors gave the DG as 30 days compulsory leave for investigations to be done about these accidents. And then the high offices returned him back. That means they have the higher offices have killed the board. The board cannot do anything. Yeah.
And maybe a message to the drivers who look down at border riders.
What we are saying is that anybody who has gone to school, and that is why we are saying people must be taken back to school. Anybody who has gone to school knows the law. You know that you must respect anybody who is using the road. Some of these drivers, they even think a border should not be on the road. and in a clear way is that even when you're driving your vehicle and you see a border, you must keep your distance. The way you keep the distance from a car, you must give a distance even to that rider. But you don't expect that because you are driving, you make sure that that rider goes over the other side. A motorbike is a motor. It is a motor. It has an engine. It must, and we use the same roads. We must respect them, and this is taught in school. And that is why you see, I keep on repeating, if our drivers are not properly taught in school, we will continue having these accidents.